days, and I think for the next 3 days we will be off our work and we will be staying together. And I think that's one blessing that we should treasure. We seldom gather together as a group of heads, as leaders of the university because of our busy schedules. But now management has given us this opportunity to stay together and sleep beside or on top of each other. Meaning on top of or beside each other. Even after, it's the whole day for 3 days, 3 full days. Okay? And so I also thank you for sharing your time. I know sometimes it's difficult to be away from our families, but you came up here with this beautiful mountain, which now is already owned by Perpetual. Before it was on lease, but now also is already owned by the University of Perpetual Health System, Dalta in Julenda. Okay, so if you see, there are some developments down there already, so that's already owned. That is why the chairman of the board, Sir Alta, is really asking the entire Perpetual Health System to patronize this place. And they are going to improve this place, build a chapel up there, doon may chapel there, and add more dormitories so that it will become a wellness center in the south. Okay, that's the vision of this place. So I hope that in these next 3 days,